Hello guys, welcome to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and today we are back with another unboxing videos. We have with us here a keyboard and a mouse combo by EvoFox. This is the X-Team Gaming combo. So this has a Fireblade keyboard and a Spirit mouse. Let me tell you a bit about this before we dive into the unboxing. So this is a gaming keyboard. This has breathing LED effect, which we will see in a little bit. This is a TKL keyboard. Let me tell you what a TKL keyboard is. TKL means 10 key less. So this is especially useful for people who has a space constraint. So this is a small keyboard. This does not have the numpad. Personally, I wanted to try that because I don't use the numpad that much and I want my desk to be as uncluttered as possible. So this has 87 keys. This has the Windows lock key. This is something which is very important for the gamers. So what that means is you can lock the Windows key so that it does not is not pressed accidentally and the start menu does not pop up. This has 19 anti-ghosting keys. Let me tell you what anti-ghosting keys are. This is another important factor for gamers. In gaming, there is a need to press multiple keys simultaneously. More than 3, sometimes more than 6. Normal keyboards, when we try to do that, it does not register more than 6 key strokes together. So the anti-ghosting keyboards, what it does is you can press as many keys together and those will register. So this has 19 anti-ghosting keys. So 10 million, this is apparently good for 10 million keystrokes, which is a lot. We have the mouse with this. This is the Spirit mouse. This has 3200 DPI, 7 LED color effects, and this has braided cable and magnetic rings. Also, this comes with 1 year warranty. Let me turn the box and show you what's behind. Floating keycaps, multimedia keys, Windows, the same things are listed here. 6 programmable buttons. To customize the button of the mouse, you have to download the software from this link. Go check that out. And EvoFox, this is by AMKit. I'm sure the old timers will be familiar with the name AMKit. These guys has been in the field for a long time. They make good peripherals, budget peripherals. So the MRP of this is 1899, but you can get it from Amazon at 1399. So this is good for Windows 10, Mac and Linux. So let us not waste any more time and unbox this. Ta-da! So we have stickers, a black and a red. So you can stick those in your keypad or in your machine, whatever you like to do. We have the warranty card here, 3 months extra warranty. You can register that, and there is a WhatsApp number here for hassle-free service. You can contact those if you have any problem. Let us check out these first. So first, let us take a look at the keyboard. So this is how a TKL keyboard looks like, made of plastic. This is ABS plastic. The finishing is okay. It's a budget version. I've seen better, but I've seen worse also. I have a full keyboard with me. I will show you. I will compare that just to show you what the difference is. This is a Lenovo keyboard which I have been using till now. I unboxed it a few months back. I'll put the link of it up here if you want to check that out. So that's the difference. The numpad is missing there. So yeah. And it's very clicky. It's not silent at all. Almost feels like a mechanical keyboard, but it's a membrane keyboard. That's it. It's elevated. Looks like elevated like the mechanical ones, but again it's not a mechanical one. So these are the multimedia keys, 12 multimedia keys which you can use. The 19 anti-ghosting keys are here. Yeah. So this is the braided cable with a magnetic ring, so which will protect from outside interference, and this is the USB. So let us see the mouse now. It's a big mouse. Let me compare it with my Lenovo mouse. So as you can see, it's nice. It will fill. It's a handful. This has 6 buttons which are programmable. You have to download the software, as I've said. And same thing, braided cable with magnetic rings. So let me just plug this in and show you the LED effects. So here we go. That's the breathing effect. Another thing, these LED lights are not customizable. Like you see, this is green. This will always stay green. We cannot change this to any other RGB color. So keep that in mind. It's not programmable. And we have the mouse here. Good LED effect. So that's it, guys, for now. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like this video and subscribe to the channel. So stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, check out one of our latest videos here. Bye.